Hey guys, so I just really quickly want to go over a couple of my favorite features in our outfit, a few things that makes our pajamas a little bit different. I'm going to start off with the zipper. So we have a double zipper that actually, if you see it, you won't see it at all in the front, on the front of the verts, and the zipper is not in the way. So the other reason for it is that when the baby is crawling, the zipper will not be on their knee. It will never be in an area that's uncomfortable. Also for sleeping, I don't know about you, but my baby likes to sleep on his tummy, and that zipper never gets in the way no matter where it is, whether he's sleeping on back or tummy. So that's one thing, and it's a double zipper, which is really great. So you can open it from here, and you can change the baby without having to expose his chest to the cold, or you can easily do, if you just think, because it curves to the back. Now, there's two reasons for this. One is for just the look, so that way it's a really clean, nice, beautiful look from the front of the outfit, and when it's a romper, it's really just a romper. But when it's a footie, it kind of do the regular change. When you're putting him in the outfit, you can zip all the way down. So it has both of those features, so you can go zip in the middle or to the top and do whatever you like. It gives those options. And then we have this flap that protects their neck from the zipper, so there's no pinch. And it's also the highest quality zipper, which has a child safety rating, where when the child would pull on it, it won't come off, so it will never be a choking hazard. And that flap is all the way in the inside. It goes all the way down to make sure that the whole outfit is pinch free. And it's a super easy zip, really easy for night changes, and the fabric is super stretchy, so while you are doing the night change, you can even just open to here and you can just pull their legs through very easily. Because it's so stretchy, it allows you to do that without having to expose their belly at all to the cold. So I love that. Also, you'll notice on the back of our footie, so right now it's a romper. With the flip of the cuff right here, it's super easy to just turn it to a footie. So now you have a footie instead of a romper. And on the back of the footie, in case the baby's going to be running around during the day, is the slip-resistant grip. This grip is also chemical-free, child-safe, and really great to prevent them from falls. It works on all kinds of surfaces, which we have hot or cold anytime to release their feet. We also have that on our arms, just up to 6 months, to keep them from scratching themselves. So just flip over the cuff, and again, now their hands are nice and safe and cozy inside. So that's a really great feature. Also, I wanted to mention that I just love our packaging, because these bags are, biodegradable, and they're super soft and just really cute packaging that it comes in. People tend to love these. So that's something I wanted to show you. I'm glad I had that second, and when I have more time, I'm going to show you guys the two pieces.